In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conditional format with icon sets in Excel. Icon sets are a quick way to add visual cues, like arrows, traffic lights, or check marks, right next to your numbers, so you can see patterns and performance at a glance. They don't change your data, they simply add symbols based on the values, which is perfect for dashboards, status updates, or any list of metrics you review regularly. Start by opening Excel and the sheet you want to work with. If you're testing this for the first time, consider working on a copy of your file so you can experiment freely without worrying about your original data. Make sure the values you plan to format are actual numbers, not text that looks like numbers. If needed, clear any symbols or extra characters so Excel can evaluate the values correctly. Next, highlight the cells that contain the numbers you want to visualize. You can select a single column, multiple columns, or a block of cells. The icons will appear in each cell you select, so choose a range that represents the data you want to compare. It's usually best to exclude headers from the selection, keeping the icons only in the data area. Now, go to the Home tab and click Conditional Formatting. This opens a menu of built-in rules. Conditional formatting evaluates each selected cell and applies visual formatting automatically, helping you spot highs, lows, and everything in between without manual edits. Hover over icon sets and choose a predefined style that fits your message. For example, arrows are great for up, neutral, and down trends. Traffic lights or colored circles quickly show good, average, and poor. And flags or shapes work well for simple priority indicators. By default, Excel splits your numbers into segments, typically high, middle, and low, and assigns the appropriate icon. The high group usually gets a green or upward icon, the middle a neutral icon, and the low group a red or downward icon. Pick the set that your audience will understand instantly. Click OK to apply. In many cases, the icons will appear immediately after you select a style, and OK simply confirms it. Take a moment to scan your sheet. If the icons feel crowded, widen the columns slightly so both the number and the icon are easy to read. Remember, sorting, formulas, and calculations still work as usual. The icons are just a layer of visual feedback on top of your values. That's it. Open your sheet, select the data, go to Home, choose conditional formatting, pick an icon set, and confirm. Save your workbook, and you're ready to present your data with clear, meaningful visuals.